Please ensure all content is in your kit before starting. You will find 2 top or bottom trays depending what you need, 4 pouches of putty, white and coloured, 1 syringe and mixing tip and 1 order form. First check that the impression trays fit around your teeth, then remove 1 set of putty from the bag and roll into 2 balls. Next, you will need to mix them thoroughly and quickly together. As soon as they come together, they begin to activate. So mix until all of the white is completely mixed in and until it is one solid colour. Once mixed, you'll then roll it into a sausage shape and put it straight into your first tray. Ensure that the putty covers the entire front area and is going to capture your gum line. Using a mirror, line up and position your teeth evenly over the putty, being careful not to drag the tray once you have it in place. Using your thumbs, push the tray all the way up or down if you've got a bottom tray, ensuring that your teeth touch the base of the tray and that the putty is covering your gums. Use a timer and keep the tray in your mouth for 3 minutes. There's tips on the video if you've got a strong gag reflex. Carefully remove the tray. You might hear a pop sound as the seal is being released. And you'll need to repeat this process for both of the trays. Once both trays are done, you'll need to select the impression with the clearest teeth and gum line with no tears or holes. Next, pull the tip of your syringe upwards to hear it click. And then working quickly, empty the entire syringe into the impression, avoiding the back teeth if they are not part of your final jewellery. Immediately and carefully place the mould back in your mouth. It will be more snug this time around though. Wait for another 3 minutes before carefully removing the impression. You may need to release the seal by hooking your finger over the back of the tray and popping it down. Now all you need to do is fill out your form and send it back in the box to the address provided.